Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you what's in my minimalistic travel bag. I've been carrying all my belongings in two bags for the last 8 years. One is my Osprey 40-liter bag and the other one is the laptop bag, which I change occasionally. So mostly it is a messenger bag kind of bag, and which I always have it with me. I use a minimalistic travel vlogging setup as well. This camera, GoPro camera, which is on this three-way grip, and I also have a Canon M50 that is, and a laptop and some cables and hard disk. That's pretty much it. I put all the clothes into the packing cubes first and then put it in the Osprey 40-liter bag, which I take on the plane as a carry-on. Some airlines only allow the personal item bag, the laptop bag, and sometimes the personal item bag has a weight limit of 4 kilograms or 2 kilograms with bigger airlines. But with budget airlines usually when traveling within Europe, you can actually pay to take the extra 10 kg bag with you, which is cheaper than checking in a bag, but it depends on the airlines. And also some airlines like Turkish Airlines and EasyJet, they don't allow carry-on board at all, so you have to check in. It's a tricky situation. So this is my Osprey bag. It's 40-liter bag, pretty standard. It has these compression straps, so it looks like a very small bag when I put it on my back. That's all my belongings actually, all my wardrobe. I don't usually use fancy stuff. Like I've had this t-shirt for like 3 years and it has holes and it has stains. I don't really care about the style that much. Yeah, this is my Samsonite bag. I change it whenever the one before breaks. Usually it goes over like this. Yeah, I'll show you once I have packed everything in how I actually put it. It probably looks kind of ridiculous, but it's actually very comfortable rather than having one of those trolley bags, especially in the Eastern European countries and Asian countries. To drag those through the roads, it can get quite cumbersome and the wheels break off very easily if it's not actually very good quality. I've had this Osprey bag for like 4 years now. It's pretty sturdy, and I paid around like £100, I think, 120. It's a very good value for money. Hopefully this Samsonite bag also will last that long. So this is how I usually wear. So the bigger Osprey backpack goes on the back there, and the laptop bag goes like this. Always keep my hands like this, so all my sensitive stuff is in here, and I also have a lock. I only bought this recently, this lock, especially in some Eastern European countries. If you're taking public transport, this is a necessity. Most other countries are safe, but sometimes. So this bag, it can further be compressed using these straps here. So the good thing with this Osprey bag is that I can also wear it on the side with this strap. It has this back thing to hide the straps on the back. This is useful when I put this bag on the, the upper compartments. What do you call those things? It further compresses it, and especially when you are in very small planes, this fits right in. Small, like, you know, this is my hand. It's actually very small, compresses very well with these straps. So let's see what's inside here first. Is it in frame? Okay, the first thing is I need to unlock this. Where did I put I quite like this bag. It's a Samsonite bag. I usually buy one of the cheaper ones, but this was cheap, was on a sale, so I bought it. I usually go for the ones that have a separate laptop compartment. This one doesn't have it. I missed it when I bought it. I didn't actually check for it, but it has this nice strap thingy. I have my Bose headphones like that. Camera bag, which has my Canon M50, which I hardly use anywhere because it has a terrible crop and you have to hold it very far away and a bad stabilization. And the colors, it's a bit too contrasty. I don't know whether it is my editing software. I use DaVinci and it doesn't have a flat profile, but my GoPro camera has it. This one which I am filming on. And this is a small sort of a case that I got with my power adapter, but I usually use it for putting my GoPro batteries, and when I'm not using the GoPro camera, I put it in here with this small wiping cloth. I have the other things. And I also have the case that I got when I bought the GoPro camera, which I mainly use it to store my laptop power charger, and also I also have my SSD from Western Digital and the normal HDDs from Western Digital and Toshiba, and a, what do you call this, power bank. And I have a small thing here to keep all the old currency here. And I have my 13-inch MacBook Pro and the power adapter. This one is quite handy. It has like EU, UK, USA. I can even use it when I go to India. It's pretty old. I probably should buy a new one. On the side here, I have some medicines. In this pocket, I have a sellotape for some reason. I have these, I use it to store the SIM cards when I travel, my UK SIM card, and also my micro SD cards, so that they are very easy to lose. And I put it in the side pocket of this bag. On the outer pockets here, an extra pouch which has my plane tickets and also photos for my visa, on arrival visas if I go to one of those countries. And I also carry a paper clip to take out the SIM card from my iPhone. I keep my passport in a case like this to protect it, although you can't use it when you're at immigration. You have to take it out to present the passport to them. Now coming to this bag, it is pretty small as it is, but I'm going to ditch some of the stuff because I won't be using it during the summer, like my heavier jacket. So this bag has this compression straps. Here on the outer pocket, I put all the liquids on outside because it's accessible when I'm at the security checkpoint. And here, I normally don't have anything. I have some lens caps and mounting thing normally. That's pretty much it. I have an extra wallet here to carry some money, to keep money in a different place, but I don't normally use it. And this is for some more extra document, a zipper bag. You can pretty much get all these extra accessories in Muji if you're in London or online, any travel shop really. This is my main compartment here. Nothing fancy here. I pack everything in packing cubes and other compression bags. So I have this is one of those bags. It's not exactly a packing cube, but it's something to separate. Again, it has all this. This is my Rode microphone. I put my Rode microphone in there. I have a smaller GoPro, which I don't use at all. I have my shaver. It's pretty handy, these bags. And these are some nuts and bolts. And this has all the smaller stuff like nail clippers and a torch. And if I'm staying in a hostel or something, I need this. And I have some of my medicines in there as well, in an extra zippy bag. And a Bose Bluetooth speaker. It's a pretty good quality actually. I mainly use it when I'm like completely alone or outdoors. And I have a smaller pouch to carry my lav mics, sensitive cables, more sensitive cables. And I have the Joby tripod for the Canon M50, which I don't use. And I have my hiking boots here, which I'm going to ditch because I haven't used this in a year. Instead of paying for extra carry-on bag, I can easily, which adds up, I will ditch this and buy it at the destination. I don't think I'm going to hike a lot anyway. So this one is all my clothing, like t-shirts, underwear, and swimming shorts. That's pretty much it. And this one has a very lightweight yoga mat, which has this thing, these sticky things which stick to the floor, which doesn't slip. And I also have a shorts. I haven't washed this in a while. It's handy for summer. And I have another air compression bag which sucks the air out to carry larger things like my jacket. That's pretty much it. I also have another bag for carrying not so sensitive cables. I also carry an extra set of Sainsbury's sandwich bags, these zippy bags in case I want to store cooking stuff or something that has to be sealed to carry. That, my friends, is my minimalistic traveling packing. Out of breath. Last but not least, I also carry this foldable Samsonite bag in case I have something to check in. Nice. I don't usually carry any liquids. I use solid material, like this is a solid shampoo from Lush. That's pretty much it. I buy all my toiletries in the airport or at the destination. So that, my friends, concludes this video. And if you found it useful, give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.